Hi Jojo fam, welcome back to the channel. How you're doing? If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Jojo and this is Jojo React. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Like the video, subscribe, and leave me a comment in the comment section. So this one, see, I've reacted to this SB19 before, and for some reasons I don't always, they always block the video. It keep getting blocked. I hope this one doesn't get blocked because I really love these guys. If it if it did get blocked, then I'll have to stop reacting to their songs. But anyway, so let's just check this out. This one is SB19 Mappa, the first take. So let's get right into it. These guys are always there.
Oh yeah.
Goodness.
Grabe. We back.
Nandito. Yeah.
Bro, we back.
Back. I'm glad you guys
Back here
are
again.
back.
Man.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Tell me when you're ready. You guys ready?
We're not.
I'm so nervous, man. I'm so nervous.
You ready?
Yeah. We good?
Yeah, we good.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's go.
Mama, kumusta na di na? Tayo lagi nakikita. Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara. Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Ako'y bata pa, diba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo. Pangako, tatay ko. Ikaw aking mahal sa tuwing ako'y gagapang aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang ginagawa, papa. Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara. Di ko na sasayangin pang mga natitirang paghinga. Tutungo na kung saan naroon ng mahalaga. Whoa, whoa. At kahit na kailan pa may di mawawala, pagkat dala kong mapa. Saan man mapunta, alam kung saan nagmula. Huwag mag-alala, pikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako na. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang ginagawa, mapa. Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara,
Oh my goodness.
How was it, guys?
Yeah, ask me. Ask me
How are you? How are you?
Yeah, it was great.
I like it.
Yeah.
I love it. I
Once
feel it.
we all enjoy.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's really good here.
It's always a good experience to be here. Amazing.
Thank you so much.
You know, for some reason, this song really gets me. The lyrics, the lyrics just get me. You know. If you have a relationship with your parents, if your mom is alive, your dad is alive. This is the time for them to rest, for you to take over. This is the time for you to take over from your parents. They've actually tried. They've practically done, they've trained you up to the point where you are. This is the time for you to tell them, Mom, thank you, Dad, thank you. I'm grateful for your love. I'm grateful for everything that you've been doing. It's time for you to rest. Let me take over. Thank you, guys. Thank you, SB19, for this reminder. The song is powerful. I love the harmony. I love the tune, the rhythm. I love the message. Above all, the message of the song. It's not just every time. It's not just to sing about love, 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 love. Yeah, love is good. Why not? There should also be a message, appreciation for your parents, because guys, Jojo Farm, your parents, they've really done a lot. They've really gone through so much, practically trained you, practically raised you. This is the time for you to pay them back. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.